What's up, guys? We are just pulling up to the lake here, fixing to get the boat unstrapped and put in the water. We're gonna see if we can't catch us some big spotted bass today. There's also largemouth in this lake, but I've got a few things that I want to try. I've made a finesse football jig that I'm about to make available for everyone, but I want to kind of test it out first, kind of see how it works. It looks freaking sick with the trailer that I have on it, so we're gonna get everything undone, set up, get the boat in the water. We're gonna start fishing. Boys, let's catch some fish. Dang it. There we go. There's some spots in there somewhere. A little bitty. First fish of the day though. On the finesse football. I'm talking about knocking the paint off this thing. Aggressive. Aggressive. Oh, look at all those fish busting. That's a ton of fish right there. They're gonna be like that. That's out in the middle too. There we go. Stay off of them. That's a better fish than the last one. Nice. I knew there was a chance that they would do that. That's one thing I don't like. On the jerk bait. That's a better fish. Chunky too, pretty spot. They just may be on that bite today. Let's throw back over and find out. There's another. A little bitty one. I ain't gonna complain about catching fish though. sling that into me. Little bitty spot, but it's probably 10 inches. Oh, I love spotted bass lakes. They're so aggressive. There it is. What did I hit? I don't know. There we go. That one feels like a better one. Come on up here, you little thing. Oh. Oh, I got two. Oh, double. Double spots. Oh, come here, buddy. You gotta let go of my thumb when I throw you back in the water. Nice. You're fighting over it, catching two at a time. That's a good fish too. Nice little spot. It may be a jerkbait day. Little bitty. There's some bigs in here somewhere. I just gotta get through all these little ones. Still not complaining about catching fish though. God, they're so fat. Gotta be careful with these spotted bass and these treble hooks. Ah, yeah, see, just like that. That's why. Let's get you undone. Luckily, it's just in my glove, not in my hand. Right there. That's why you gotta be careful with the spots. Just like that. Little 10-incher. Ow. Might as well just set these pliers up top with me. Little bitty. Still fun. Man, they're bending the hooks out. Fix that. That might be why that one got off earlier. I can hear them busting behind me again. They're feeding today. God. Almost every cast. Oh, that's a better fish. Oh yeah. That's a better fish. I'm gonna sling those in my hand. Fat. They're tearing these shad up. I'm telling you. Ooh, missed that one. Let's throw it back in there. There we go. Almost caught two again. That's another good fish. Nice. There's one. Ooh, I believe that one's the smallest of the day so far. He probably won't even make 10. Another one. Every cast, I found them. This joker's only got one eyeball. I'm gonna find me a big one here in a minute. Right in front of me. Other fish trying to take it away from him. Don't sling that at me. Don't you sling that in my hand. There's a fish. Decent on the finesse football. Nice. I like that. Here's one. Nice. Is it a largemouth? Sure is. Sure is a largie. Listen here, wind. You know I ain't got spot lock. He gonna pick on me. Boom. The second largemouth of the day. Everything else has been spotted bass. That'll work. The jerkbait won't work, finesse them. Other largemouth. This bridge has got largemouth on it. Big one. Not really. That's just funny. On all these fishing shows, every time they set the hook, big one. And most of the time it ain't but like 2-3 pounds. When I see somebody set the hook and I hear biggin, it better be 6 or better. I want to see an actual biggin. Another largemouth. A little bit better fish. Not too bad. Missing a lot of his tail. That's that post spawn right there. Oh, that's a better fish right there. That's a pretty good spot. Okay. I gotta get this boat. Ooh, I think he had it a minute. One of the better fish of the day right there. That's not saying much, but it is a spot. They're kind of mixed in here. Nice. On the finesse football. No etiquette. Let's just run wide open. Right beside somebody who's fishing. You gotta give me 50 feet. They think just because they're on jet skis, they ain't gotta do what they're supposed to do. That's probably the biggest one of the day right there. Also, still not saying much, but that's a good largemouth. It seems like the largemouth are wanting the finesse style presentation a lot more than the spots. I was catching all the spots on a jerk bait, quick jerks, and then swap over to the finesse style, and now I'm catching a bunch of largemouth. So another. These are decent fish too. Oh, he got off. Come here. They're liking the football finesse jig here. There we go. I think that's another good spot, looks like. Oh. Still looking for Mr. Big, but I ain't complaining about catching one right after the other either. Oh, I should have retied my knot. He broke me off. Oh man. Oh, broke me off. All right. Well, with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day right here. Starting to get late. Going on 6 o'clock. We're just gonna tie this off and go get the truck. All right, now that I got my rods up, once we get the boat on the trailer and get it out of the water, I'll kind of go over and show y'all what I was using. And I'll show y'all that finesse football that I make, that I was catching these fish on at these bridges. So looks like there's a lot of people starting to put in, so we're gonna try to get out of their way right quick. All right, guys, I decided to wait till I got home to do this outro video. All the weekend pleasure boaters were starting to show up. The parking lot was getting kind of cluttered and I didn't want to be in the way, so I run home real quick. Thankfully, I have a little bit of light left, and this DJI has super night mode, so I'm hoping this picture looks good. We went out today to test out this prototype that I'm working on of the football finesse, and it's a tiny little finesse jig in the football head style, but I'll show you this in just a second, because when we first got there, all the bass were feeding and busting on shad, so I couldn't help myself. I had to pick it up. I had to pick up the Strike King 100 jerkbait, and we absolutely wore out the spotted bass with that jerkbait. Later on in the day, we were finally able to find a good spot to test out this little football finesse jig. And first I'm going to show you exactly how big it is. I mean, it is small. The skirt is so much longer than the actual jig. So what I did was I put a crawl on it, a rage tail, and I cut it down to make it real compact. And then I trimmed this skirt up above the crawls. And what that did was it made this skirt a lot shorter, and it made it flare. So when you move it through the water, it kind of gives this motion. Almost like a jellyfish, if you could think of how they move through the water. But around the bridges, the largemouth were loving it. I caught a couple spots with it, but the majority of the fish that I was catching with the finesse style today were the largemouth. But like I said, this is just a prototype. I haven't released it yet for to the public, but hopefully I'll be able to do that soon. I want to, you know, take them out and fish with them a little bit more. Today was the first day I've actually fished with it, and I just want to make sure that I'm putting out the absolute best product for anybody who would want to try it. So that's pretty much the day. A lot of spotted bass on a jerkbait, a lot of largemouth, finesse style with the finesse football. And like I said, hopefully when I'm 100% happy with the product, I will release it to y'all. But anyway, thank y'all for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.